It's running.
Alright guys, so it's winter. One of the most important things we can do during winter is clean off the car. Keep the snow off of it. The snow is very bad when it flies off onto the road and stuff. So I'm a little short for my car. I can't reach the top of it, so I use a brush like this to clean it off. Just like that, we take about half of it off on this side. See how I can't reach the top of the roof without using something a little longer and taller than the regular brush? Alright, that should get all the snow off. Maybe use the ends to get here in between there. Get as much snow off the vehicle as you can. You get the front. One of the requirements is that we keep license plates clear. We get everything, as much snow off the car as we can before we go anywhere.
Don't get the brush in the roof cutter stuck now.
Huh?
Don't get the brush stuck in the roof cover.
That's fine. You still recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Once you get the more snow you get off the car, the better. Like I said, I can't reach the top of my car. That's a nice one pull. Okay, just like that. Well, I guess I gotta get this again.
Yeah, it's snowing. You know, I was just thinking about something. If you could, like, turn on the windshield wipers.
Turn it off.
Okay.